Hi! In front of me is CAT S53 and today I would like to show you how you can manage autocorrection. Firstly, just open Settings and scroll all the way down to access System. Then click on Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard, and Rebirth. Following that, click on Text Correction, scroll down just a bit, and tap on this switcher next to Autocorrection. This way you can turn it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!